Welcome to ChemQuiz. Please get ready for an exciting chemistry challenge. Today, you'll test your knowledge, compete with your peers, and most importantly, have fun while learning. This quiz is designed for IB DP Chemistry SL May 2024, so expect questions that will challenge your thinking and refresh key concepts. Now, let's begin part 1. This round consists of 14 multiple-choice questions, and you'll have 30 seconds for each one. Stay focused, think fast, and trust your chemistry instincts. Let's get started. Here comes the first question. Which compound has the highest percentage of carbon by mass? You have 30 seconds. Think carefully and choose your answer. Next up, question 2. You have 6 mole of copper reacting with 12 mole of dilute nitric acid. What is the amount in moles of nitrogen oxide produced if the reaction goes to completion? Think carefully and choose your answer. Time for question 3. How are the lines in the emission spectrum of hydrogen produced? You have 30 seconds. Go. Question 4. Let's talk about atomic structure. Which set of ions shows increasing ionic radii? Take your time, 30 seconds. Moving on to question 5. What is the geometry around a carbon atom in graphene? Think and choose wisely. Let's test your understanding of bonding in question 6. What is the correct number of bonding pairs of electrons in ethane-dioic acid? Your time starts now. Halfway through, question 7 is here. Which statement best explains the malleability of metals? Choose wisely. Next, question 8 is about solubility. Which liquids are immiscible? Think fast. Energy time. Question 9 is about enthalpy changes. What is the standard enthalpy change for the given reaction? Your 30 seconds start now. Time to test your knowledge on equilibrium. What is the Kc value for the reverse reaction? Choose your answer. Are you tired? Don't worry, only for questions left. Let's keep going. Next up, question 11. What is the conjugate base of hydroxide ion? Think carefully and choose your answer. Let's move on to question 12. Which statement is correct for the following spontaneous reaction? Think carefully and choose your answer. Let's move on to question 13. What is the IUPAC name of the given compound? Take a close look at the structure and choose your answer. Here comes the final question. Which of the following pairs are structural isomers? Look carefully at the molecular formulas and choose your answer. Great job on part 1. Take a deep breath and relax for a moment. we're moving part 2. This section consists of 7 problem-solving questions, where you'll have to think critically and apply your chemistry knowledge. You'll have 60 seconds to answer each. Let's begin. Okay, let's start with the first question. Ozone in the stratosphere breaks down when exposed to ultraviolet radiation. Your task is to draw the Lewis electron dot structure of the ozone molecule and then predict its shape and bond angle. Alright, moving on to question 2. A solution was made by dissolving 1 moles of sodium oxide in distilled water, making the total volume up to 1 cubic decimeters. Your task is to write the equation for the reaction between sodium oxide and water, and then calculate the pH of the solution. Alright, here comes question 3, part A. Ethanone is used in the synthesis of pharmaceutical compounds. Your task is to compare and contrast the intermolecular forces that make ethanone less volatile than carbon dioxide.
Remember the days we were young, wild and free, basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun.
Let's move to question 3, part B. You have 10 cubic centimeters of ethanone mixed with 100 cubic centimeters of oxygen, and the mixture is completely burned. Your task is to determine the final volume of the gaseous mixture once the reaction mixture returns to its original temperature and pressure.
Remember getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun.
Next up, question 3, part C. Propanone can be synthesized by the oxidation of propantuol. Now, propantuol itself can be synthesized in two ways, either from compound H by the addition of water or from compound G through a substitution reaction. Your task is to draw the structure of compound H and determine the name of compound G. You have 60 seconds to answer, and your time starts now. Okay, moving on to the next question. Compounds are often identified as oxidizing and reducing agents. Your task is to write the half equations for the formation of the products. When molten sodium bromide undergoes electrolysis, what happens at the anode and cathode? You have 60 seconds to answer. Your time starts now. And now, we've reached the final question. In this reaction, your task is to determine which species is oxidized and how many electrons are transferred. Your 60 seconds start now. Great job, everyone! You've worked hard and made it through all the questions. Now you have 30 seconds to review your answer sheet, make sure everything is filled in correctly, and finalize your responses. Once the time is up, please submit your answer sheet. Your 30 seconds start now.